keep up with your mood swings. What is troubling your
Oh, I did all that talking and ain't even had the thing on. Okay, I'm gonna try this again. Me and Mom is out. We Mama, we already parked. I'm not about to get back in. And it's further. And we about to get something to eat and then do, I don't know, go to wherever she wanna go. Hi guys, how you doing today? I'm out and about.
I'm going to the streets. The streets are calling my name.
out. I don't even know if they saw it or no. Okay, we about to go get something to eat. We here at Applebee's. This is going to be our first time at a sit-down restaurant since we moved from LA areas last March, and since last March, maybe since before then, this is gonna be our first time at a sit-down restaurant since all this began. And why? My mother laughing at me because I probably just repeated myself. But yeah, so now we just sitting in the car because there's she said 20 to 30 minute wait, and I am so starving. So what you looking for?
What I'm looking for?
You know, you could take me in the car, right?
I have. Oh, that's right. I have been looking so long for it that I forgot what I'm looking for.
Bruh.
Okay. But I don't know. I really don't know. Let me put this down. I'm really showing a senior moment, huh? But I thank God that I still got it going on though.
Look at her. She them. You know, you go to church and you have them. You have the sisters with the mint. That's her.
Watch it. Yeah, I love my mints. All my grandkids, they know. I love all my friends. No, I love peppermint. I love peppermint. The Lord delivered me from smoking, from cursing, from drinking, and I picked up the habit of peppermint. Love my peppermints. And I don't like to share. I don't like to share. I really don't. I remember one time, sister, she was in church, and like she was on the opposite side of church than I was, and she gonna call the usher and ask the usher to ask me for a mint. What? No, that used to really get me, because if I can get mints, you know, don't ask me for my mints. The only one that could really get it is my grandson, Kimani. That little boy could get anything from me. I mean, anything. And I miss him so much. Because he's just so kind. Oh, excuse me. I was talking. Because they don't get to see me that much. And I have my new glasses. I hope you guys can tell me how they look. You know. But I like them because they look like the something that Eartha Kitt will wear. The cat eyes. Yes, I am out. I feel like I just came out of prison. That's how I feel. I feel free. Yeah, but it's really nice to be out.
Okay. So now that we're done with the Elaine vlogs, let's see if these people, let's see if they're ready for it. We having a discussion right now about name dropping.
You know,
Because like I told her, you know, yeah, it could be family, but sometimes even with family, you know, people be acting funny sometimes and be, why are you mentioning me? Why are you mentioning me? And I don't feel like arguing with nobody.
Well, you're not. If I mention it, it's gonna be a family member.
That's what I'm saying.
But
You know, we got family members that be acting funny.
Well, they don't act funny with me.
I mean, I don't mind it, but
you know, because I am the more, what how you say that?
The matriarch.
The matriarch of this family, and everybody know me, and they're not gonna come. They wouldn't dare come in. Oh well, you.
Yes.
I would say
they will.
No, they're not. Not with me. Like I said, not with me.
Why you don't think so?
Because they trust and believe. They know me. They know me. They know me. You know. And it's better. I'm calling your government name. Okay? I'm not calling you no other name, okay, like I used to be. Oh, I'm so glad the Lord saved me. And a whole lot of other people should be glad too. Because yeah, what that Elena say all the time.
See, and she just did it again.
Child, she not gonna say nothing. She said, yeah, they know Sister Walton, but they don't know Elaine. Yes, indeed.
Every single day just stays the same. Wake up, feel that emptiness of face. Wash away the pain and put some makeup on my face, yeah. Every single day just stays the same. I am giving all to you in vain, but I guess I had it coming, so why should I complain? Why should I ever stop, ever stop? Why should I give you up, give you up? And when do I see myself?
Now, everybody that knows me know I wear white, and I know how to wear it accordingly, especially when I'm eating. But who would ever thought that the quesadillas would be juicy?
'Cause I keep telling myself why.
Now, I usually don't like cheese on broccoli, but that broccoli was off the chain.
One day I'll find you, and we're off to what they call a good start. And then I wake up. Every single day just stays the same. Wake up, feel the emptiness of face. Wash away the pain and put some makeup on my face. Every single day just stays the same. I don't really care and it's a shame. I know I had it coming and I don't care to explain. Why should I ever stop, ever stop? Why should I give you up, give you up? And when do I see myself every day? Repeat itself, repeat itself.
See, my mama wanted to be cute, getting her little salad with chicken. But see, me, I was hungry. And I knew since that would probably be my only meal of the day, I had to get me a steak and potatoes.
You'll find
my mama. Now, she said she was too full to eat that salad, but look at her eating that ice cream and cake. She ate all that. Okay, our stomachs are full now. We got our to-go bags. This is probably my son's dinner now. Now she wants to go in the store.
That's right.
What store? Ooh, Jesus, this wind. And we have to walk this food off. Oh my God, we just got a car. Y'all, I need a toothpick and a bed.
Oh my goodness.
Oh God.
We're no white.
She trying to be like me with my wife.
And look at me. Just look at me, cause I don't like white. I really don't. She gave.
Well, I did make it. I dropped something too, but that because I had a quesadilla and I thought quesadillas not supposed to be juicy.
Do you think that when you got into church, you got saved, that you became an angel wearing white all the time?
She thinks she got jokes.
Oh my goodness. I mean, she wear white all the time. You looking at, you go and open up her closet and nothing but white. Nothing but white. Oh my goodness.
I started wearing white. Why I started wearing white? I think because I could. And I'm grown. Not for real. Because you know why I really started wearing white. But then it started as
I'm honest with that.
started out. But then, like I said, I changed. You know, I started. You know, I changed a lot of things. You know, I stopped doing a lot of stuff.
But
And then now, as some years, you know, time went by, it was like, after I changed a lot of things and changed my life, I started noticing stuff was going good for me.
yeah.
So I started to buy, one time I started to buy some, something else with color, but then I couldn't do it. I couldn't buy it. And it had me thinking, since I changed my life and stopped doing stuff, and even wearing the white, things been going good. I mean, no, life ain't perfect, but, and it's
But
like,
it's
I'm at the
definitely
point
what
now, I'm at the point now, why change it? Keep doing what I'm doing for, you know, staying on a good path or whatever, and, because I feel like if I change any of that, you know, my life would go down again. How you know?
I know.
Yeah.
You do?
Why you say I don't?
You pay attention.
Exactly.
I change. I do mine with
Maybe I'm not thinking straight.
I just wanna stop everything I'm doing. Stop 'cause I'm not okay. I want you here forever. I want you here with me. Oh what a life, oh what a life, oh what a life I could have had with you. Suddenly I want to walk away. No, I wonder will you ever come back again? Telling myself that it's okay, okay. 'Cause every pleasure's got an inch of pain. Maybe I'm indifferent. Maybe I'm not thinking straight. I know I shouldn't play this.
I'm so disappointed in Target. Only thing white there they have, and they don't have my size.
Thinking straight, I know I shouldn't play this game. But I just wanna stop everything I'm doing. Stop 'cause I'm not okay. I want you here forever. I want you here with me. Oh what a life, oh what a life, oh what a life I could have had with you. With you, I just wanna stop everything I'm doing. Stop 'cause I'm not okay. I want you here forever. I want you here with me. Oh what a life, oh what a life, oh what a life I could have had with you. With you. Oh what a life, oh what a life I could have had with you. You.
Hey, baby, come and be with me tonight. I don't wanna come across impolite, but I'm ready. Hey, baby, come and show me how it's done. It's just you and me, one-on-one, nice and dirty. Late nights on the sofa, watching a soap opera. I feel your hands on my body. Wish we were getting naughty. Oh, I'm just getting started. Thinking about how you feel so right. Been dreaming all night. Could you be mine? We can go up. Or we can go down. Left or right, do or die. Come on, don't be shy. We can go up. Or we can go down. Left or right, do or die. Come on, don't be shy. Baby, come and be with me tonight. I don't wanna come across impolite, but I'm ready. Hey, baby, come and show me how it's done. It's just you and me, one-on-one, nice and dirty. The things you're doing to me, it's like something out of a movie. You see right through me. It's like you already knew me. We can go up, or we can go down. Left or right, do or die. Come on, don't be shy. We can go up, or we can go down. Left or right, do or die.
I can't believe Target don't have any soft soap.
Come and be with me tonight. I don't wanna come across impolite, but I'm ready. Hey, baby, come and show me how it's done. It's just you and me, one-on-one, nice and dirty. Baby.
Okay, we done made it back home now. We had to cut the shopping trip and outing short because I had to go to the bathroom. And I do not like public bathrooms. So, yeah, it was quite a day. I'm tired. But, let me show you what we got. Yeah, I see everybody, is using Method. I never tried it because I'm old school. I use Clorox, you know, Mr. Clean, Fabuloso, and all that. But, I said, let me give this a try. And, see what all the hubbub is about. So I just got this Method just to see what that does. And we needed some more dishwasher tablets. And I just grabbed this hand sanitizer because I usually keep one in the car. And the one I have in the car now is almost empty, so I had to get a new one. And I got Caress. We needed some more Dawn, which I have to hurry up and go hide that for my son. And I got more Clorox wipes because lately I've been going through a lot of these. Even though I'm still stocked up on some, I still just like to buy it. Okay, and I needed more Tylenol. And I got these things I saw. And you know, on the front where they have all those little bins at. And yeah, I saw these. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for or if I'm gonna use it, but I just thought those are cute and I wanted to get it. And oh, I just bought me some little earrings, you know. No, I'm not the type, I don't care about real gold and all that, but I just wanted some earrings. Oh, ooh, excuse me. And I got some command tape, the command, well, y'all know what these are. Because, you know, I have the Roku stick, and I tried keeping it on top of my TV, and I had this two-way tape, but lately it's not sticking, so I said, let me try those. Oh, you don't like it? Okay. And then I just bought candles because I always try to buy candles because my mother taught us always keep candles in the house because you never know. And, you know, a couple of times we had some blackouts. But, yeah, I just bought those little 2 candles. And I got the lavender essential oil. My mother needed these cleansing cranberries. And the sleep, natural sleep. And yeah, she wanted this book. She'd been talking about the Michelle Obama book for the longest, so she finally got that. And she wanted the notebook because she says she's gonna try this time writing her book, because everybody be telling her people that knows her, you know, she done told them about, you know, her life and stuff, and everybody's telling my mother she should write a book. So she's saying now she's gonna try. Okay, but that's another video for another time. Okay, anyway, she picked up this. I don't know why, because I'm the one that does the cleaning. So maybe she's thinking about me. Okay, got Boost. My mother drinks Boost, and I don't know why she bought stockings, but she got stockings. Pens, we needed pens. She got some Uno cards. Okay. Now, you know, I'm not ashamed to tell my age. I'm 50 years old. Okay. So we go down the aisle with the games and toys and stuff because my mother said she wanted to buy some games. So we going down the aisle and she asked me, 50 years old, do I see something I want? Down the toy aisle? Really, Mama? Okay.
I asked you if you were talking about playing games. And I asked you about, you know, getting the game, since we was by the game aisle. You know, Uno. I don't even know how to, you know, how to play that, what you call it, things I had. you know, you talk about things, and then when I do it, then you acting like, you know, I'm senile. I'm not senile. Okay? All right? Okay? You know, we could be playing Uno and dominoes. I'm gonna learn how to play dominoes.
I can't teach you because I don't know how to play
I know,
dominoes.
I would get somebody to teach me.
Oh.
You know.
Okay.
But you know, we talked about that. You know, playing games sometime.
Okay. Okay, now back to the haul. Okay, and yeah, the summer's eve, ladies, you know about that. I hope y'all know about that. My mother got some, she wanted some little stretch pants and footies. And these shirts here, they're going back because she thinks she could fit in that and my daughter, and they're the wrong size. Okay. And then I needed laundry baskets. And yeah, I think you can see that. I had, I was carrying it around in the store and I was throwing some stuff in there instead of putting it in the basket. And the, what was, I think it was the dishwashing liquid spilled through there because I got 2 of them. This was the one at the bottom and they went and exchanged it for me because I was going to take it. I told them I could just wash it out as soap. But they went, it was only one left on the shelf, so they went and got me another one. And I told them, you know, this one is fine. So, and then I finally got me a mirror for my bedroom. But, because I was going to put it over my taller dresser, but I think I got another spot for it. But yeah, that's going to go in my bedroom. So that's it for the haul. It was a small one, you know, not a big old one, just a small one. But anyway, I'm tired and I need to get in the shower because I'm hot, sweaty. So I thank you guys for watching. And for my new subscribers, I want to thank you for subscribing. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll talk to y'all in the next video. Bye. Okay, I know I was closing out, but I just put my mirror up and those little baskets I had. I want to show you guys. Okay, I hung it over my nightstand. I had this little bitty mirror up there. But I took that down and I think it looks nice. I don't know. What you guys think? You know, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Okay, let me show you the other one. Okay. And for those 3 little basket things I got. Now I just stuck like in this one, I just put like my little lotion and then this one is just some bath stuff. And then here I have I just stuck like my brush and some combs and gel and you know, style lotion stuff I use on my hair almost not daily. But I say maybe 2 to 3 times a week I use this stuff on my hair. So, yeah, I thought these were like sort of, I don't know why I thought it was like a cloth material. It's more like, I guess, like plastic. But it's still good, you know. Because I think they was like 3 in a pack for $5. And it's the same color as my color scheme in my bedroom. Yeah, I think this looked better than everything out in the open. I still might keep those up there because I did have my combs up in here, but I took them out because there's so many. Every time I go in there, it's hard to close it. So I think these worked out just good or perfect. I just wanted you guys to see that and what I did with those. So this time I'm going to go for real and So thank you again for watching. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, please consider subscribing and joining my little family. And also give this video a thumbs up. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.